One of the most painful and frustrating experience you can ever get is with canker sores. Although they can be healed naturally within a period of 7 days, there are a couple of things you could do to facilitate the healing process. Similar to medications that are prescribed over the counter, there are a couple of home remedies that are quite effective in reducing canker sores discomfort as well assisting in the healing process. Below on this page, there are 10 proven ways to help you say goodbye to ulcers. What is canker sore? Canker sore represents an ulcer in the mouth that is small. It is usually associated with gray, red or white edges. Typically, it is found on those parts of the mouth that are not hard, such as tongue, inside the lips, and inside the cheeks. Canker sores do have a medical name. It is known as aphthous stomatitis, aka ROS. They are fond of appearing repeatedly over a period of time. Canker sores cannot be transmitted to someone else and they can heal without any medication in a period of 7 days. They are not up to 1 centimeter in diameter, they can exist alone or in a group. However, there is a more serious form of ROS that is responsible for bigger ulcers that could stay as long as 14 days or even more and are also capable of instigating scarring. 10 ways to say goodbye to canker sores. While it is normal for them to heal naturally, there are several measures that can help you manage the pains, facilitate the healing and prevent any possible infection that can be caused by canker sores. They are as follows. 1. Over-the-counter patch or gel. You can apply typical over-the-counter medication directly on the surface of the canker sore in gel or paste form. When you do this, the canker sore will hardly be irritated whenever it comes in contact with acidic foods and spicy foods, or when it is being touched. There are also specific bandages or patches that can be placed on the canker sore to help protect it from anything that will irritate it by contact. 2. Applying a mouth rinse. An over-the-counter rinse could do the job regarding providing relief from discomfort or pains. You need a mouth rinse with antiseptic properties to help numb the inner part of the mouth, as well as protect it from any infection. 3. Applying a salt rinse. Alternatively, you could decide to apply a salt solution to rinse the inside of your mouth. While this method is known to facilitate the healing process, it shouldn't replace a medicated mouthwash whenever necessary. 4. Exercising dental hygiene with soft brush. Being careful of how you treat your mouth when you have canker sore can also assist the healing process. One way to do this is by employing the use of soft brush. Keeping your gums and teeth clean can also stop the ulcers from getting infected. 5. Vitamin B12 supplements. One of the components responsible for how the brain and nervous system works is vitamin B12. It also has a key role to play in red blood cells formation. A small study indicated that consuming vitamin B12 supplements can help to reduce the pains produced by the canker sores, number of possible outbreaks, and number of ulcers gotten in a month. 6. Taking chamomile tea with honey. Historically, honey and chamomile have been employed for various health benefits, and it is effective in healing canker sores since it helps to reduce the inflammation and pain. There is, however, not enough scientific evidence regarding their benefits in ulcer treatments, hence, they shouldn't be preferred for medication purposes. You can equally apply honey to canker sore because of its possible antiseptic properties. Mix it together with chamomile in tea, and then drink it when it has cooled off. It is possible that chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile is a good canker sore remedy when it is brewed and used to rinse mouth when it becomes cold. Having a chamomile tea bag soaked in warm water and applying it directly to the spot where the ulcer is located is also a viable option. 7. Avoid certain foods. You need to avoid certain foods like salty, acidic and spicy foods because they do not only irritate the canker sores, but they also slow down their healing process. Talking about discomfort, you need to stay away from hot drinks, as well as foods with rough edges. 8. Applying aloe vera. You can reduce your canker sore irritation, inflammation and pain by using aloe vera gel on it despite the fact that there isn't enough proof to support the benefits of aloe vera regarding canker sores. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health (NCCIH) has always deemed it safe for use. 9. Numbing your mouth. You can numb the feeling of your mouth by sucking on ice chips and applying them to your canker sore. It will relieve you of the pain and discomfort. Never apply the ice cube directly on the ulcer when the surface has not been slightly melted first. 10. Preparing a clove oil rinse. Clove oil has been known as a practical pain reliever over the years. The approach is simple. First, use sea salt solution to wash your mouth, and after that use a cotton wool that has been soaked in clove oil to rub the canker sore. It will get rid of the pain. Causes. When someone mistakenly bites on the inside of their mouth, it could give rise to single mouth ulcers. A poorly fitted denture can also cause it. Sometimes it is hard to identify the clear cause of canker sores since they happen so often. Some people never experience canker sore at all, while others get it almost all the time. Some of the reasons why you may repeatedly experience canker sores include a weak immune system, allergy for specific food or stress. As recommended by American Academy of Oral Medicine, anyone who keeps experiencing canker sores often ought to keep record of when it's happening and whatever could be the triggers. With this, it will be easy to narrow the cause to lifestyle or a canker sore outbreak. Crohn's disease, which is a deficiency in vitamin, can also be responsible for canker sores. When to see your doctor. Canker sores are usually not indicative of any serious health challenges. If the sores, however, last for more than 3 weeks, you are ill and you find it hard to swallow anything, then you are advised to see your doctor. If you are experiencing it often, you can also see your health advisor. Knowing when the canker sores occurred and what their triggers could be, like spicy foods, can also help your course. There are cases of canker sores being indicative of gastrointestinal diseases. Should someone experience any of the following, they should quickly see a doctor: incessant and unexplained tiredness for many days, a sore or rash on a different body parts, irritated eyes, a fever, stomach pain. If canker sores are painful and red, you might just be up with an infection. Takeaway. If canker sores happen often, they can be very painful. Keeping close tabs on when they occur and what could be responsible can help you avoid it easily. Meanwhile, there are over-the-counter solutions and home remedies that can assist you in reducing the discomfort and pain. Having some natural remedies readily available in the cupboard along with some over-the-counter medications simply means you can get rid of your canker sores as soon as you discover them. The treatments that were mentioned in this article can be purchased online. Canker sore gel, soft toothbrushes, chamomile tea, clove oil, mouth rinse, vitamin B12 supplements, aloe vera gel.